But don't let the helmet fool you guys. I don't really know what I'm doing back here. I've only cut down maybe 3 sizable trees in my life, and one of them really missed the mark. That moment taught me huge respect for the pros, like the ones I watch Guilty with Treason, that know how to expertly remove trees safely. So since that moment, I've learned a lot about hinge techniques and holding wood, and why I shouldn't have cut through all the wood of the tree. Basically, that holding wood is there to guide the tree as it comes down. So I figured back out here, it's going to be a good spot to practice. I got 2 or 3 big trees that are going to come down. To practice my aim, I'm going to take advantage of this wide open space back here. I brought a cone with. There's a lot of situations where you need a tree to land in a certain spot. Back here, this isn't as much the case as long as it doesn't land on me. I'll share a little bit more about the hinge and the holding wood as I'm cutting these down. Well, I hit the cone with the branch. That was close enough. So you can see here the first cut that I made was the face cut. That's going to direct where it's going to go. This was the back cut. And this is the holding wood that you don't cut through. When I had my tree fall before the wrong way, I think I cut all the way through, or not really straight. So that worked pretty good, even with the dead tree. All right, if I back up here, when you're pulling into the campsite, you can see you can't really get a truck past where this line of trees is. This is a big one. It's definitely the biggest tree I've ever cut down. All right, so this is my face cut. I was told it should be about 30% of the tree. That seems about on point, maybe a little bit strong. And then I'm making sure that my cuts don't go too far. So that's gonna create my hinge wood. Nice that I'll leave this part of the tree so it can flex down and hit that cone. Having a little issues with the chainsaw. The more I give it throttle, the more it just wants to die out. Tree came down right where we wanted it to. That was good. I don't know what's going on with this. That made it the toughest part, was that the chainsaw wouldn't give me full throttle. If somebody knows more about chainsaws than I do, please be sure to reach out, comment. Tell me if I need a spark plug, a new chainsaw, if it's just the bad gas that causes that, overheating. I'm not quite sure. But yeah, that was a big tree, and it hit the cone, so that was pretty cool. All right, well, I'm glad we got that down, because I think we got some rain coming in. That was kind of the last effort I was going to give with that chainsaw. Be sure to subscribe. We're going to be working to clear out this campsite area. Now that we have a spot established, I'm going to be working on bringing some big boulders in to make the campfire pit.